Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am all reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article or editorial. Why is India staring at an obesity challenge? Is there an urban-rural divide? How are prices affecting the high food intake? Why does the rise in obesity have a bearing on non-communicable diseases like diabetes? Why is childhood obesity an area of concern? What is likely to happen in adolescence and adulthood? Why obesity is still primarily an urban middle class phenomenon in India? It is already rising among the rural poor. This editorial written by Jubeda Hamid. Now we start the editorial. The story so far. Earlier this week, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his Mann Ki Baat radio program, highlighted the alarming increase in obesity in the country, particularly among children, and noted that obesity affected 1 in 8 Indians. Mr. Modi urged people to reduce oil consumption by 10% each month and stressed that to build a healthy nation, obesity needed to be addressed. What is the scale of the problem? Overweight and obesity are defined by the World Health Organization (WHO) as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that presents a risk to health. Data from the National Family Health Survey (NFHS) reveals that the obesity has been increasing across India over the years. The percentage of women who were overweight obese grew from 20.6% during NFHS 4 2015 and 16 to 24% during NFHS 5 2019-21. The percentage of overweight obese men increased from 80.9% to 22.9% during his period. Urban numbers were significantly higher than rural numbers. A 2023 research paper in the Lancet Regional Health Southeast Asia that analyzed the NFHS 5 data found the prevalence of abdominal obesity assessed through vast circumference in the country was 40% in women and 12% in men. Childhood obesity is also an area of concern. The percentage of childhood under 5 who were overweight rose from 2.1% to 3.4% from 2015-16 to 2019-21 as per the NFHS data. With older children, the figure are higher. The World Obesity Atlas 2022 estimates that the India will have a child obesity prevalence of 10.81% among 5 to 9 year old and 6.23% among 10 to 19 year old by 2030. What are the health risk? According to the WHO, obesity is adulthood is a major risk factor for the world, leading cause of poor health and early death. This include cardiovascular disease, several common cancer, diabetes, and osteoarthritis. India leads the world in the number of people with diabetes at an estimated 101 million. The burden of cancer is on the rise from 14.6 lakh cancer cases in 2022. The number is projected to go up to 15.7 lakh in 2015 as per the Indian Council of Medical Research National Cancer Registry Program. Moreover, cardiovascular disease remains one of the leading causes of death and disability, reportedly affecting Indians at least 10 years earlier than in other countries. In fact, non-communicable disease (NCDs) now account for about 60% of all death in India. Being overweight in childhood and adolescence The WHO say affect children and adults mid immediate health and is associated with greater risk and earlier one set of various NCDs. It can also have adverse say physio-social consequences affecting school performance and quality of life, compounded by stigma, discrimination, and bullying. Children with obesity are likely to be adults with obesity. Why is obesity on the rise? Rising level of obesity in urban India are due to a combination of multiple factors: unhealthy diet loaded with ultra processed food, lowered levels of physical activity, and even air pollution, which provokes inflammation that predisposes the body to cardiometabolic disease and visceral adiposity in the body, say K. Srinath Reddy, distinguished professor of the Public Health Foundation of India. Cost is another factor. Low income households, especially those that depend on the public distribution system, eat more carbohydrate through rice and wheat, say public health professional Vandana Prasad. You can instruct people to eat better, but it is not possible if these food are unaffordable. Indian diet, especially among poor family, are deficient in iron and protein. Food like fruits, vegetable, pulses, dairy, and animal based food are all expensive. While at present obesity is still primarily an urban middle class phenomenon in India, it is already rising among the rural poor, which may soon overtake other segments, she adds. A study in the Lancet Global Health last year said among half of all Indians are not sufficiently physically active, even as indoor sedentariness is increasing due to the seated nature of office work and use of digital device. Outdoor conditions are not conducive so to safe and pleasurable physical activity, points out Dr. Reddy. The absence of safe cleaning, cycling lanes, and pedestrian paths are compounded by dimly lit lands. Green space available for recreational physical activity are shrinking, while traffic density and rising street crime deter Walker in many urban zones. Is obesity being measured correctly? While the usual metric to measure obesity is the body mass index (BMI), there has been a growing debate about its limitation. BMI does not indicate how much of the weight is fat and where the fat is distributed in the body. Fat in the abdomen, particularly something that Indians are genetically predisposed to accumulating, contributes to metabolic syndrome, a group of risk factors that increases the chances of developing type 2 diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. This January, expert in India issued updated guidelines for obesity treatment and diagnosis that place special emphasis on abdominal fat distribution. The classification introduces two stages in obesity. The first stage where there is increased adiposity without discernible effect on organ function or daily activity, and the second where both physical and organ functional are impacted. It recommended the use of waist circumference or waist to height ratio and body for fat measurement alongside BMI to diagnosis obesity. So guys, this is today article. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in next video or tomorrow. Jai Hind.